Okay, so these are the products I've been trying for the last couple of weeks, and I'd like to tell you my thoughts on them. So let's start off with the Ruby Kisses products. I do have a dedicated try on and first impressions video of these products, so feel free to check them out if you are interested in seeing what I think of these products. Next were the Physicians Formula New Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. These are beautiful. They do have a strange fragrance when you first open the tube, but the colors are beautiful and there's a wide range of colors, so that's nice. I have a dedicated swatch video if you're interested in seeing that. The Python lip kits are interesting. I also have a dedicated video of those, so feel free to check that out. I have swatches and try-ons. The Sulwhasoo mist I've been using every day. The blushers have been my go-to blushers for the last couple of weeks. They're absolutely beautiful. The Maybelline Superstay foundation has been my new favorite foundation. It is absolutely beautiful. Same with this highlight. I'm obsessed with the highlight. The primer I haven't had a chance to try actually. The Total Temptation brow and mascara are amazing. The juicy fragrance is just a lot of fun to wear. I have a swatch video of the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighters, so stay tuned for that. The Catrice concealers, are they a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape? Find out. I also have a dedicated review of the Wet n Wild Cushion foundations, so feel free to check that out. The Total Temptation palettes by Maybelline are pretty. They're sparkly, but not something I reach for often. However, the Makeup Revolution palette I've been using almost every day. I absolutely adore it. So that is definitely a great product out of the bunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this wrap up. Stay tuned for the next one. See you later. Bye.